acknowledging the power of cinema in bringing us face to face with the unexpected, the unknown, and the uncertain. Wouldn't you again agree with me in saying that movies have the ability to take us on a journey into uncharted territory, to challenge our assumptions and to push us outside of our comfort zone? The unexpected is not just a plot device, but a driving force that propels the characters forward and forces them to grow and change. Movies often showcase unexpected plot twists and turns, and you will be able to see some examples in the film we are about to screen. Facing the unexpected is not just a cinematic trope, but a fundamental aspect of the human experience. Again, the pandemic has shown us that life is full of unexpected twists and turns.
No?
Thank you, it's a pleasure. He's thanking me for bringing him to the festival, but it's actually an honor for us. Also thank La Guardia and Naifef and the audience. You can help us. Come on.
Oh, yes, sure, come on. A little check, please.
وبهذه المناسبه بالرغم انها جات يعني وقت قصير ولا شيء كنقوموا بواحد التكريم للسي طارق الادريسي. هذا ما فخر الغاية وفخر الأمازيغ فخر الإخوان الكريمين. فيديو